In today's video, we will see how to fix the JISULIFE mini fan not working, battery, motor and reset troubleshooting guide. So to fix a malfunctioning JISULIFE mini fan, start by charging it for at least 30 to 60 minutes. Perform a soft reset by holding the power button for 10 seconds. Now check for drips in the blades, disable any travel, child lock and inspect the charging port. Next one, battery troubleshooting. Many startups and power issue systems from are depleted or uncalibrated batteries. So the step 1, perform a soft reset. Press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds to clear the system cache and reset the internal circuit board. Next, deep discharge recovery. If the battery has dropped to 0%, plug it into a 5V 2A wall adapter, avoiding two low output laptop USB port, and let it charge the uninterrupted for at least 1 to 2 hours before attempting to power it on. Next, clean charging port. Lint or dust in the USB-C port can prevent charging. Gently clean the port with a wooden toothpicks or a quick blast of compressed air, then swap out the charging cable. Next one, motor and blade issue. If your fan is mechanically jammed or the motor is failing, try the following. Step 1, remove physical obstacles. Turn the fan off and manually snip the blade. If they resist, look for hair or threading wrapped around the center axle and remove them with tweezer. Next one, resetting the ESC. On some advanced models like the Ultra 1, motor error such as E3 error code indicating an electronic speed controller, the ESC, faulty. Some users in teeth form suggest that temporary disconnecting and reconnecting the battery can resolve this circuit fault. Goodbye and thanks for watching.